It's too hot here, but over there in Orlando, it's even hotter. So I can get used to it. Run faster, run faster. Well, hi guys. I hope I have the settings right, because I was filming in 4 double I don't know 3, but I want to have it in 16:9, and this is what I put the settings on right now. I think it's right. Today I have my extension in just a little. And I'm gonna eat some macaroni. And tonight I think I'm gonna eat some bread. It's just warm. You wanna know what temperature it is right now? It's now 2:15, and I didn't eat yet, and it's 76 Fahrenheit. So I'm gonna eat, and I'll be back with you later. Oh man, I am so getting sick of this heat. But I can't complain, because I need to get used to these kind of temperatures, because, well, my friends have even warmer weather right now, and when I go to Orlando, I guess the weather will be almost the same as that it is right now, right here. So, dang. Sometimes I do miss air conditioning. But yeah, we don't need it. We don't need it that much. So I just have to sit by the fan. Oh man. My brother is questioning. Is saying, what is it, hot, huh? Warm, huh? Well, no shit, Sherlock. If you're not used to this, well, then it is a bit too warm. Do you have that also? If it's warm, that you are getting more tired, or faster that you're getting tired? Sooner. Sorry. And that your brain is not working anymore. Well, that's what's happening with me. So, yeah. Well, what's going to come up in my vlogs? 8 days from now, my brother is getting married. I already have the outfit, but he watches my vlogs sometimes, even though he's not really good in English, but I don't want to risk it, that they see my outfit already. And they don't like it either. They want to be surprised. Just like we are getting surprised by their look. And so that's coming up. What else? Well, a month later, I'm gonna go to Orlando. To be exact, I'm gonna take off from Schiphol on October 6th. At the end of the morning or at the beginning of the evening? Afternoon. What is it? Oh, I always forget. So that's coming up also. So what's coming up is pre-wedding of my brother and pre-holiday. Yeah, baby. What the actual? What is this? What? YouTube. Oh, somebody's live. Okay. Well, so that's what's coming up. I'm gonna stop now recording and be back with you later. And if you're in Holland too, good luck with the heat. I said I wouldn't complain about the heat. But I can't handle it. I want it to be over. Sorry. Oh, really? I don't like it anymore. Ow. And here it's different because in Orlando it's hot, but when you're inside, almost everywhere you have air conditioning. Here that's not normal. And very pricey. So if I would buy radical air conditioning, so that you can put it away when it's not necessary anymore. Well, that is very pricey. So, but I'm gonna take my rest. Bye-bye. Hi guys, I'm gonna go to bed. I used this moment for the first time, and I bought it for on the plane. But yeah, I'm gonna go to bed. And normally I film there. Then I always have my blanket over me. But this time it's too hot, so no. And I need to learn to look at you instead of the screen. But yeah, I think that always will be a learning thingy. I want to say to you, have a nice night and keep it cool, or at least try. See you tomorrow. Bye. Good morning. Though it's quarter to 10. I'm looking awful. Just jumped out of bed. and I am gonna shower, but first I want to have eaten something, and I need to eat something because of my medication. So I'm gonna grab 2 slices of bread, I think, or do I only want one? Do I want one or do I want 2? But I'm gonna take that out of the fridge, the freezer, and put it in a microwave. And yeah. And today, just 1 week waiting. Why am I not focused? Focus. But okay. Today, only 1 week of waiting. I don't know why I'm not focused, but never mind. No. I really don't understand. But only 1 week from today, and my brother is getting married. That's today in 1 week. So, oh man. I need to figure it out because this is not, oh, there I am. I don't know. Stabilizer is not really good, I think, maybe. Maybe I need to change some settings, but okay, I'm gonna eat something and I'll be back with you later. Bye. 1 slice of bread, 3 capsules, 1 tablet and 1 chewing tablet, and I always take vitamin C. So that's going in this cup. And I need to be honest with you. I like the taste of it. So vitamin C, and they're sizzling. Look. Sizzling. Fizzing, sizzling, I don't know how you call it. But I'm gonna eat it later. Normally I have my restless leg attack at night, but right now my leg is hurting like crazy. So I'm all the time wiggling. Or like this. Because if I hold still, it doesn't work. I mean, it does work, but it hurts. And love it. In about an hour, I will go to the dietist. I will search how you call it in English. I don't know for sure. So, yeah. I still like this shirt. Be what you want to be. And what I want to be is an American. I am not an American, but I want to be American. Okay. And I love the pants that I'm wearing right now. You saw a little bit of it. I'll be back with you later. I just wanted to update you. Bye! I just made some changes in the settings, so if my quality is going from that point till that point, excuse me for that, but I'm just a little bit figuring out how you got this camera new. Okay, bye. Good morning, guys. Just jumped out of bed and it's a little past 10, and I realized that I didn't close the vlog of yesterday. So, but maybe I'm gonna make some week vlogs first. I don't know. I just need to come in the rhythm, and everyone can forget something. That's just it. So, yeah. 6 days until my little brother gets married. Well, my birdie is tired, but not completely. Eyes closed, eyes open, wiggling with the paws. Eyes closed, eyes closed. Birdie! I think she needs to wake up a little bit. And if she does, she's screaming like crazy. I can tell you, budgies, they're awesome, but sometimes, hey birdie, sometimes I wish she could close her peak. Well, I'm back with you later. Bye. Hi guys. Sorry I didn't film all day. But I did really bad with breakfast. I didn't tell you guys, but I didn't eat just bread. And the one time I mess up, I am feeling miserable. Right now it's a little bit better. And the rest of the day I didn't eat anything. And right now I have eaten 4 slices of bread with hagelslag. No, chocolate sprinkles. And for the rest, I am just relaxing and trying to deal with that feeling. It's feeling like I had gallstones. So I had a operation, and my gallbladder was removed, including the gallstones. But the attacks from the gallstones then started first with a irritating feeling, and sometimes even with diarrhea, because my stomach was feeling bad. Well, An irritating feeling is what I had today. And right now it's down. But never say that out too loud. But, yeah. So that's why I just, am not feeling myself this day. So, excuse me. And now I hear you think, how can she have the same feeling as when she had the gallbladder? I don't know. I just have. Maybe it's not the same, but I compare it. It feels like what they felt like then. So, you know what I have to eat more, but I think I'm scared to eat more today? It's more for, it's more a winter meal. It's soup and it's peas. It's pea soup. You know, here you see some ingredients. That's erwten soup. And it's more a summer, no, a winter thing. But yeah, I like it. And sometimes you're just doing something. I'm gonna do some Minecraft if I am not breaking out, because I did Minecraft with a Minecraft survival series that I already know, but I like to watch again from a Dutch pretty big YouTuber. For Dutch standards, he's pretty big. And then I mean the subscribers count. Yeah. So, see you later. And then you'll hear if my tummy ache is back or not. I can't stop watching myself. That's so bad. But, okay. And just because of the quality, I want to see it. But, see you later, alligator. Whoa. I'm still having the problem, diarrhea stuff, but I'm glad there's thunder and lightning and stuff like that, because it's now cooling down a little bit. Wow, and this brings awesome clips. Oh, sorry. Oh, stay here. This brings awesome clips. That's the most beautiful tower of the Netherlands. But it's not dark. But see how much, I don't know, you don't see every lightning, but it's continuously going on. Wow. Wow. I love nature. In the meantime, I want to tell you, I'm going to edit this tomorrow. It's Sunday, and I'm going to upload it on Sunday. My next vlogs will be daily, and I will have 3 days delay. So what I'm gonna film tomorrow, so Sunday, because when you see this it's Sunday. When I'm filming on Sunday, it's gonna be uploaded on Wednesday. So yeah, that's what I wanted to tell you. I planned to tell you that tomorrow, but as soon as I wake up, I can get into that schedule and get to the editing. Except when I'm sick. This is beautiful. I have some beautiful shots. Whoa! I think that's a reflection. You see there, the blue thingy. Whoa, it sounds like it's going into a building or something, but whoa. Ooh. I smell fire, but I think that will be a fireplace or something. Oh! Did you see that? Oh, I'm so glad that the church is higher than where I am. Wind. Oh, that's awesome. The wave's cooling down. Oh, girl. course I do hope that everybody is safe. And I smell the rain. When it's been so dry for a long time, you just can smell the rain. And although it's always humid here, it's been dry for, I think, at least a week. I don't know. Oh man, it's gonna rain in.